Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve Discord on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Clash of Clans. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.